Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your new chapter in social science. In that, chapter number 5 from the geography, major dominance of the earth. Let us start the chapter. The chapter is divided into 5 main topics. First is dominance of the earth, second is lithosphere, third is hydrosphere, and fourth is atmosphere, and fifth is biosphere. So let us talk first what is the importance of the earth. The earth, as we know, it is only one planet which supports the life, and we can say life is possible on the earth only. Now why? Because life is possible on the earth, which is the reason because the sustainable elements like air, water and land, which is the need of a life, is required, which is present on the earth. That is why the life is possible on the earth. As we know, earth is a very complex zone where we know that plants, animals, organisms in the environment which meet and interact, and which makes life possible on the earth. You can see this picture. With the help of, we can understand that how the life is possible on the earth, because as we know, the life is very complex on the earth, and for the organisms, or we can say for plants, animal, for meet and interacting, and which makes our life possible on the earth. Next, domains. There are the 4 domains. First is lithosphere, second is hydrosphere, and third is atmosphere, fourth is biosphere. Okay, now let us see for which we see in the 4 dominants how its origin. First we will talk about lithosphere. Lithosphere is a litho word, which is a Greek word that means a stone. Second is hydrosphere. Hydro means hudo, which means water. Atmosphere, it is also come from the Greek word atmosphere, means vapor. Fourth is biosphere. Biosphere is also a word which comes from Greek word bio, which means life. This is a chart. Through that you can understand over the words concept that hydro means water, litho means earth, or we can say land, atmosphere air, and biosphere means where the life is possible. Next, first we will talk about lithosphere. As let us, a question arises, what is lithosphere? Is a solid portion on the earth where we are living, that is known as lithosphere. Now let us see the features of the lithosphere. It contains a rocks on the earth crust, and we even found the thin layer of a soil. Even it contains nutrients, and nutrients which helps and organisms also. In this picture you can understand how the plants getting nutrition from the soil. Now there are the 2 main divisions of the earth surface. First is ocean basins and second is continents. Ocean basins means, as we know, there are the huge water bodies present on the earth surface, and continents means where the land on the earth surface. Here in the picture you can see, whereas one side is oceanic crust and the other side is continental crust, where we were both the sides we are founding lithosphere, but the work is different. One is on the water and other in the land, but the way of working is different. So let us see. in detail. All oceans, as we are talking about ocean basins, oceans as we know in the world connects with one another. Okay, and the sea level which we have found on the oceans remains same in everywhere on the world. Even we consider the sea level is a zero, and the height of the land is measured from the sea level is considered as a zero. Okay, and highest uh, we can say highest depth of 11,200 meter 2200 meters is recorded, where we found in Marina Trencher, which is present in the Pacific Ocean. So let us understand with the example of the pictures. As I told you that oceans are present all over the world, and it a present equal amount in each and every part of the world. Okay, now second example, as I told you, the sea level of the water, it's remain considered as a zero here. And third point which I had explained you, that we, even whenever we have to consider a height, then we are used to take a sea level a zero, and then we used to take a measurement of the height. And fourth, that the highest depth of the ocean we are finding in Marina Trencher, which is present in the Pacific Ocean. Next, continents. Continent is nothing but a large landmass which present on the earth's surface. There are the 7 major continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Through this picture you can understand the 7 continents of the world, which is Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, South America, North America, Australia and Antarctica, which is the 7 major continents of our world. Next, they are separated by the large ocean bodies, or we can say from the water, and greatest large part of land we can found in northern hemisphere. So this much for today's session. Thank you, students.